Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shapes to your drawing on the DraftPad application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select Mode. This is an ad.
Oh, twinkle, twinkle.
And tap to the shapes icon next to the under the eraser, and just select one and drag to your canvas. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.